In this video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Dropbox and then share it with someone else. So first, you need to go to the Dropbox homepage, and from here we can go ahead and then upload files or folders. Now this will depend on if you want to upload a whole folder's worth of videos or if you just want to upload one video. So there are a couple of ways that you can actually do this and actually share your files. So here's how you would do it. So once you've created your account on Dropbox, you're on the homepage. The first way is if you go to the upload or drop button, you can then choose if you want to upload a file or a folder. Now if you've got more than one video, what I would recommend you do is go ahead and put them into a folder already before you even upload it to Dropbox. So let's say here we have a bunch of videos here in the recordings that you wanted to go ahead and send over. What I would recommend you do is just highlight them all, right click and copy them, and then what I would do is go ahead and create a new folder, and I'll just call these videos. And then what we can do is we can paste all of our videos into the folder. Now this is if you have more than one video file that you wanted to share. With that done, you can then go to upload folder, and then if you find that videos folder you've created, you can upload it. And as you can see in that folder, there are 4 video files. If you wanted to just upload, however, one video file, you could go and click on file instead of folder and then find the file. So after you've uploaded your file or your folder, they will then be in the Dropbox here in all files. You can then click on share. If you click on the file or folder, you click share, it will open up this window here. Now you have to have your Dropbox verified to do this. So if it isn't already, you'll get a notification saying please verify your Dropbox. You can do that by going to your email and clicking on the link. Then you can go ahead and click copy link, and it's then going to generate a link for those files. Now, by default, it will be on anyone with this link can edit the folder. If you go to manage, you can just go ahead and set this to require a password if needed, or you can change the access to only people invited. If you do this, however, you are going to have to manually invite them by their email. So what I would do if you want to share it via a link is just keep it with anyone with the link, but be aware that if you do copy this link and send this to someone, if this link gets into somebody else's hands, they will also be able to access the files. But once you then click on copy link here, you can send this to whoever you want, whoever needs to see the files. They can open it then anonymously without even being logged in, and they'll be able to then download the files. So that is how you would do it. I hope that made it quick and easy for you to understand. There are some settings that you can change as well if you have the Pro plan.